what has happened to me? After all those lessons and inspiration, why do I still fail to discern my potential? Why do I still lack the courage to transform?
Raj, again stuck with your silly thoughts? Just stop overthinking about yourself. Trust me. Just go and meditate for a while. You'll feel good.
Wonder why she keeps telling me to meditate. Actually, let me try it out today. नारायण नारायण अरे नारद जी आप
Balak, I have read your thoughts and I understand your concern. You lack the courage to transform, son.
I know, but what shall I even do? There is so much of fear and problems resting on my shoulders.
Problems, huh? I transformed Ratnakar to Valmiki. And who are you in front of him?
Please, just have a glance at some of the instances where my intellect and body both stood blank.
Fine, let me have a look into it.
Move fast! This week no MP3 for people who are going late.
You're too late today. I'm sure that we would have to stand for the entire class.
Yeah, it's 7:35 already, and by the time we will reach there, we will get scoldings and detention both.
But what if we just don't report?
Actually, we could bunk their class. No one would know about it.
Yeah, we all are ready.
Raj, you're joining us, right?
What should I tell?
Why are you thinking so much? Just join them and chill out. Or else they'll remember it for long and will not include you anywhere.
No, it's bad for you. If you get caught, you will get a lot of scoldings. And it does not matter if you stand for some 30 minutes. Trust me, just go run for class and you will be safe.
Just leave me alone.
Dude, this is the perfect time for us to sneak in tucks. Raj, you distract ma'am and I will sneak in from behind.
Yeah, dude, we'll be set for the entire month. Let everything go according to plan. Just do it.
Do it fast. Is it safe? Is it secure?
Come on, that's a solid no. It's clearly going to bring you down. Think about it. It is always said, drop the lower and catch the higher.
Stop blabbering. Gyan mat de. Just be the accomplice and get your part. You'll enjoy the food later.
Exams are nearby. I must start revising. Only then I will succeed.
Are you sure? You just say, but never do.
Yes, I'm 100% sure. Tomorrow, 5 a.m. sharp.
Bro, it's past 5. Let's start.
It's just 5. I'm too tired. Anyways, we still have 30 more days. We'll start tomorrow.
I knew it. I'll study alone. You never start and always suffer at the last minute.
I guess he's right.
He of course is. Listen, if you start now, only then will you succeed. It's now or never. You know tomorrow never comes. And eventually, procrastination will become your habit.
Raj, you have a whole month left. That's plenty of time to study. Comfort should be a priority, not an exam which is 1 month away. Rest is essential for your body. Tomorrow is always there to start.
You see, I know what to do, but things just influence me, taking me to the wrong direction.
I understand now.
Kindly tell me, what is affecting me?
There are 3 factors that are affecting you. Firstly, fear of judgment. You are scared of how people would see you and comment behind your back. Second factor is fear of missing out, which scares you to be excluded, and within no time, you end in thoughts like, fine, not this time, but next time onwards, even if I wanted to join them, they would exclude me, and hence you fear to miss out. The third thing is your biggest enemy, which is not controlled by others, but you alone. It is lethargy and procrastination. All 3 combined will destroy you.
So what shall I do to resist them?
Bala, listen carefully. To overcome the fear of judgment, remember, people will talk, but it's your actions that will make them. Focus on doing what's right, not what's like. To defeat FOMO, stop chasing every crowd. When you value your peace and purpose, you'll never feel left behind. The right company will always find you. And to conquer lethargy and procrastination, start small, one task at a time. Discipline is the bridge between dreams and reality. Don't wait for motivation, act, and motivation will follow. Transformation begins not tomorrow, but today, at this very moment. And remember, the world will always provide you with a second chance, but it is you who shall prevail to utilize it. And it is never too late to transform.
Thank you, Naradji. Now I understand how it works.
On this note, we would like to conclude, hoping that you take a little something from our presentation and make your life a wonderful one too. Now, we would like to conclude by giving you a quote to ponder upon. Every sinner has a future and every saint has a past. Thank you.